Now for these questions, we're dividing a multiple of 100, so a number that ends in 2 zeros, by a single digit number. And if we ignore the zeros for a moment, we can see that 8 is in the 2 times table, 36 is in the 6 times table, and 45 is in the 9 times table. So for these questions, we don't need to use short division. Instead, we can use mental methods. 800 divided by 2 is 400. And that's because 8 divided by 2 is 4, because 4 times 2 is 8. Then, if we have 2 end zeros in the dividend, we need 2 end zeros in the quotient. 3,600 divided by 6 is 600. That's because 36 divided by 6 is 6, and then we need our 2 end zeros. And 4,500 divided by 9 is 500. That's because 45 divided by 9 is 5, then 2 end zeros in the dividend means we have 2 end zeros in the quotient.